DJI is about to release 3 new action cameras. The Osmo 360, which we already saw and discussed in the last video, but also the Osmo Action 6 and the Osmo Nano. The last one in particular is really interesting because it resembles the Action 2, which featured a unique form factor, with magnetic modules that attach to the main lens. The Osmo Nano will follow the same strategy, making it much smaller than the Action 6, which will be DJI's full-size action camera. I'll tell you everything you need to know about them in this video. Let's get into it. Let's start with the Osmo Action 6, which was leaked by Quadro News on X a few days ago. The design is basically the same, but it now features new sensors below the screen, possibly for white balance adjustment like the Action 5 Pro. We might even see a larger sensor and new software features. As for the release date, since the camera in the pictures is said to be a prototype, we might still have to wait for a few months before it comes out. Let's move on to the Osmo Nano, which was just leaked by Quadro News on X. In this image, we can see the camera module, which will attach to an additional battery module like the Action 2. There's another leaked image posted by X Drone Studio on X, which shows the Osmo Nano's design more clearly. As for its release date, Jasper Ellens has shared more details about it via Drone XL. He says it will come out a week after the Osmo 360, which seems to be releasing in mid-July. Anyways, I'll keep you updated through the channel's community posts, so make sure you're subscribed and drop a like if this video was helpful.